All right, here we have question 11. We're going to graph those points. R equals to -6, 2. It's right here. T is at 4, 2, right here. Let S be the midpoint of RT. What is the coordinates? Well, it is this. And a lot of people like to get the horizontal part. And it's right here. Then they like to get the vertical part. Like this, okay, and then they will actually get the length of it. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So midpoint would be 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If B here is 1, 2, it should be this part. So it goes up here. So this would now be the midpoint. Midpoint, it is -1, comma 1, 2, 3, 3. The length, again, we can just use Pythagorean theorem. A squared plus the B squared, that's going to be equal to C squared. So this should be 10 squared plus 2 squared is equal to C squared. 100 plus 4 is equal to C squared. Square root of 102 is equal to C squared. No, 104. Is equal to C squared. Okay, you can try to simplify the radical. Let's see, 104 divided by 16. Nope. 104 divided by 4. Yeah. So this can be 2 radical 26 is equal to C. That's in simplest radical form.